Design thinking is simply taking the capabilities and the mindset of a design professional and actually applying that thinking to wicked problems, difficult problems or business problems that maybe your company or an organization would like to solve. And taking some of those methodologies, tools, best practices and applying it to do it. Probably 3 steps to consider. First step is simply spread the word, get people aware of what design thinking is and how it can help a company, and actually just do it, try it out. Second one maybe is more actually integrate into projects, really try to push it into projects and see the value out of doing it to solve some of those tough challenges that you have. And then the third one is maybe actually to work with it from an organization. Do you structure yourself around it? How do you actually put business functions in and around it and then really get the maximum return on invest from doing design thinking, but from an organizational point of view?